Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL 1S, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And to get started, you'll need one of these SIM ejector. It comes provided with the device, so you can get it from the box, or you can use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now from there, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side where the pin is holding. Push the pin in, and the tray will pop out. And once you take it out, you have space for one SIM card and one SD card, or just two SIM cards. So if you're planning to use two SIM cards, you could just place the other one right here like so, but because I'm using one of each, I'm just gonna move it over and pop in the SD. There we go, like so, and from there I can insert it into the device. There we go. And SD card is already working, and SIM card should be working as well, I would say as well, but it's in airplane mode, so give it a second. So it looks like for the SIM card to work, we need to reboot the device. So let's do that right now. And as you can see now, the device is back on, and it's still not actually reading the SIM card, so that's interesting, unless the SIM card has no pin, which in this case it's not here. Let me just quickly check SIM. So yeah, the SIM card just didn't have a pin on it, and it is already working, as you can see. So anyway, looks like rebooting the device was kind of pointless, but that is how you insert a SIM card anyway. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.